This is a fully electric 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS. Today I'm showcasing the EQS 450 4MATIC AMG Edition, packing 360 horsepower. Loaded with all optional extras, this beauty retails for €147,790, while the base model starts at €129,650. The EQS measures 5.2 meters long and 1.9 meters wide. Its 118 kilowatt-hour battery delivers an impressive WLTP range of 802 kilometers in the EQS 450 Plus model. This EQS rides on sleek 265/40 21-inch AMG wheels. Let's step inside. The EQS boasts flush pop-up door handles and stylish frameless windows. Inside, you're greeted by a massive 56-inch hyperscreen, a seamless blend of three displays, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 17.7-inch central infotainment screen, and a 12.3-inch screen for the front passenger. The steering wheel is loaded with controls. On the left, you've got buttons for adaptive cruise control and the driver's display. On the right, there are controls for the phone and center screen. Regenerative braking is adjustable via dedicated plus and minus levers for a tailored driving experience. The center console features two cup holders, a wireless charging pad for your phone, and two USB-C ports. Under the armrest, you'll find a spacious storage compartment. The front seats are fully electric, adjustable with buttons on the driver's door. Move them forward, backward, up, or down. Even the headrest adjusts with ease. Now, let's check out the rear. There's ample legroom for passengers, making long trips a breeze. A two-piece panoramic glass roof adds elegance and floods the cabin with natural light. Rear passengers get their own climate controls and a storage compartment for small items. The rear seats are electrically adjustable via controls on the door. Let's move to the back. Press the Mercedes logo, and the electric tailgate opens to reveal a practical cargo area. Need more room? Fold the rear seats flat with the press of a button, perfect for extra luggage. Closing the trunk is just as easy. Tap a button, and you're done. On the left side, there's a dedicated compartment for refilling windshield fluid. The charging port is electronically operated for added convenience. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get new videos.